Hello, hello teachers. I am very happy to announce the importance of Teachers' Day from our teaching fraternity. It is an honor and privilege to our teaching community as a whole. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September in the honor of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Basically, he was the teacher and he showered honor, dignity, and respect to the teachers' community. Also, a renowned philosopher, he defined the role of the teacher not only as an educator but also a moral mentor. No doubt, teachers are the guiding force for students and true builders of our nation. The national education, the new education policy 2020 treats teachers and their role as pivotal to the educational rejuvenation of our country. Much has been said about the dignity and honor of the Teachers' Day, and moreover, about our most learned educationist and philosopher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the great personality. Dr. Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirutani village in Tamil Nadu. At the age of merely 12 years, he read about the holy book of Christians, the Bible, and Swami Vivekananda's philosophy. In 1952, he was elected as the first Vice President of India, and he also held the post of Vice Chancellor of Delhi University right from 1953 to 1962. According to the great philosopher Plato, a philosopher should be a king and a king should be a philosopher. According to the missile man and great scientist of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, who was also the President of India, a student spends about 25,000 hours in the premises of his or her Vidyalaya. So, all of us should be devoted and dedicated to our noble deed, that is, the profession of teaching. He also held the post of President of India. Teachers' Day is celebrated on different dates in the whole world, which is as follows. In Australia, it is celebrated on 5th October, that is the last Friday. In Bhutan, it is celebrated on 2nd May. In Brazil, it is celebrated on 15th October. In Canada, it is celebrated on 5th October. In Mexico, it is celebrated on 15th May. In Paraguay, it is celebrated on 30th April. In Sri Lanka, it is celebrated on 6th October. In Yunnan, it is celebrated on 30th January. So, I wish all my best wishes to the teachers community. Thanks and have a nice day.